Sorry guys, I think I'm like getting sick. I can't breathe out of my nose. It's disgusting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this fresh spring look. Today was very warm outside. It's definitely starting to feel like spring. Flowers are blooming. So I was thinking, why not go ahead and do like a fun, bright, subtle, but still soft glam. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. If you guys would like to see how I created this look, this glowy, soft glam, yeah, just keep watching. Also, if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, right there. So I'm just gonna prep my lips, and I'm just using this fresh sugar lip caramel. I've seen tons of reviews on this, so I thought that I would try it, and it's so bomb. I tend to have like super dry lips for some reason, no matter how much water I drink or anything, and this just feels like amazing. They don't feel like sticky and gross. And I tried a new eye cream, and look what happened. Yeah, now I have like all these like tiny little pimples around my eyes, and it looks like I got punched in my eye. I want something soft, pink and bright and fun and less dead, like how I look, you know. So I'm gonna start with Roxy from the Subculture Palette, and I'm gonna pop that right in my crease. I forgot how pigmented this was. Let's spread it out. Oh God, please like blend. I'm just going to tear my eyelid up and hope this blends out. I damn near had to take my eyelid off to get that to blend out. Maybe it's because, maybe it's the way like my concealer wasn't all the way set. I don't know. I didn't have trouble blending this one last time I used this palette. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna keep that right in my crease. Guys, I'm so ready for spring. I am so over winter. I absolutely hate the winter time. I hate being cold, and I have found everything that I do want to put in my giveaway. So do you guys think that I should post the giveaway on here, or do you think I should post the giveaway on my Instagram? Either way, I'm going to end up posting it on both pages. But which one should I post it on first? Should I do a video on the giveaway, or should I just go ahead and post it? What do you guys think? Just blending that out, and I'm going to take my Morphe E27. Look at that. Like my brush is starting to get ratchet. So I'm just going to take that, and I didn't add any more product. I'm just going to blend that all together. Actually, I lied. I'm going to pick up a little bit more product and just dust it over my harsh line I got going on. We don't want harsh lines. So if you're new to eyeshadow, or you can't figure out a way to get your eyeshadows blended, just keep blending. Trust me, just keep blending. When you feel like you're done blending, you're not done. Keep blending. Alright, in this look, I do want to keep this really soft and like fresh. I picked this up at Ulta yesterday, and it is the e.l.f. Metallic Liquid Eyeshadows, and I want to get it out. I've really been wanting to try these, so yeah. So I'm excited. I got the shade Rose Gold. This is what it looks like. Look, so this is the eyeshadow that I'm gonna use. This one right here. Just kidding. So I got the shade Rose Gold, and I'm gonna see how they blend out on the lid. So I'm just gonna take Rose Gold. I'm gonna put that on the lid. I'm just gonna take a Sigma E56 brush, and maybe, yeah, so with these, work quick. It dries pretty darn quick. Well, so far, I mean, it's a nice little shadow, but it's pretty sheer. And I was thinking it was going to be more, it had more of like a chunky glitter in it, and it doesn't. But I think it was only like So the eyeshadow, this little guy right here was $4. Now looking at like the color payoff and like there's no glitter, nothing like that, I wouldn't even say it's worth $4. I would have thought this is more like $1. Just me. But I mean, I guess it's pretty. It's very subtle. Very, no, this is not worth $4. And I'm cheap, so not the color that I want it to be. So I'm going to go into my Subculture palette. And I'm going to take the shade Cube, this one right here, and it does have, it's white, but there is like a pink sheen to it. So I'm going to take that on the brush I was just using, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. Just over top of that shadow I just placed. I know ColourPop has a couple of liquid eyeshadows. They're supposed to be super duper nice. I haven't tried them. I thought that the e.l.f. one would be kind of like, you know, like, yeah, no. I'm gonna go back into my Morphe 34 Bay palette, and I'm just gonna go back over and blend that out, just to make sure everything is nice and soft. And I'm just gonna bring that orange shade in just a little bit. I mean, it's not bad. It doesn't look like terrible. It's just not like what I was expecting. This is giving me like spring vibes. Just kidding. I really don't talk like that. Or do I? I'm gonna go ahead and do a small wing and just pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm just gonna prime with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. And this is a hydrating primer, so it's like a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Pretty much, I went to Ulta the other day and I seen a bunch of products that I've heard about, and I thought, hey, why don't I test them out? So, for foundation, I'm going to be testing out the LA Girl, the Pro Matte foundation. This is the HD Longwear Matte Foundation. It is medium to full coverage, smooth longwear suede finish. So I'm hoping this is the right shade. I just picked up the shade Sand because normally everything was like, I think it was like 6 shades. It has a pump. I'm still going to conceal my scars just a little bit because I do have like a little pimple, and I don't think that would be fair. Face is already jacked up, honey. Alright, so I'm just going to pump 1 pump on the back of my hand. 2 pumps. I like full coverage. Alright, so I'm just going to take my Ratchet Beauty Blender. So far it is covering really nice. It's very smooth on the skin. It looks really nice. It's like getting darker, so I guess it oxidizes. Yeah, but it is blending really nice. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. It doesn't feel like I have any makeup on. It is very silky. Like I can see where that suede finish is gonna come in, because yeah, it kind of smells weird. This is the first LA Girl foundation that I have tried. It looks really nice on the skin though. And that was 2 pumps. So 2 pumps, or was that 3 pumps? I get a little carried away. I'll have to watch back over. I'm gonna go in with my usual, the Tarte Shape Tape. So my concealer is blending really nice on top of the foundation. It sets really nice on the skin. Maybe. I'm not using a new powder or anything. I'm using my go-to, the Laura Mercier powder. So I'm just going to set my face. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. And I'm just going to use the ABH bronzer and all my fingerprints. I'm not meaning to flip the camera off. I have been using this bronzer for about 4 days now. And I really, really love these bronzers. I always had the issue, like I felt like certain bronzers I was using, like they just weren't dark enough, and if they were darker than the ones that I was having, like the ones I already had, I noticed the shades to be like super duper orange, which these are not like that. They look really good on the skin. They blend so soft, so smooth. I'm gonna go in with some blush because I do And I'm not looking at the camera. I need to stop doing that. So I'm going to go in with some blush. And I'm loving the way that the eyes are like popping. I'm just going to use Becca Cosmetics blush. And this is in the shade Flower Child. This one is right here. You can see it. I'm going to apply a little bit more blush because this is a springy look. And I want to be a little bit like blushy. You know what I mean? Like, I just want it to be really pretty and pink. And this blush does have a little bit of a sheen to it. Like, you can see, like, it just gives me like that really pretty glow. A glow from within. So I don't even think I'm going to apply highlight. So pretty. So to finish up my under eye, I'm going to go in to my Subculture palette. And I'm going back into the shade Roxy. Next, I'm going to go ahead in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to go into that orange shade that I used and just apply that to the bottom lash. Alright, and I'm just using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is like perfect for your bottom lashes. So I'm just going to go into my blush, my Tarte blush palette, and I'm going to use the shade Whimsical. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush down my nose, my Cupid's bow, the forehead, because I need to make it look bigger. Just kidding. Look at my hair. Ever since it's been raining, my hair is just going through. It's like, I'm just going to go in with a Makeup Forever Aqua Lip Liner. And this is just in the shade, this is in the shade 3C. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. Very nude, very natural, very pretty. Next, I'm going to apply some gloss. This is Alma's Liquid Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Cantaloupe, and I'm just going to apply that on the lips. This shade is so pretty for spring, summer, and you can see like on camera it looks like super orange, but on the lips it's very nude, very pretty. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Even if you didn't, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up anyways because you watched it to this point. So yeah, but if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.